Hi, this is Mr. West, and today we're doing a Khan Academy tutorial on compare and order absolute values. Let's go ahead and get started, and the first thing I actually want to start with is understanding what absolute value is. So if you have a number line here, and here's 0 right in the middle, and we have our first point on the right, let's call it 3. And our second point on the left, let's call it -5. Absolute value would look like this. Absolute value of -5, absolute value of 3. But what does that mean? Absolute value is simply talking about the distance away from 0. So -5, its distance away from 0 is simply 5 units. So it's 5 units away, so this equals 5. Now, 3, how far is 3? 1, 2, 3 units also until we get to this point of 0. So this is also equal to 3. A lot of students just interpret it to mean making it positive, and functionally that's what you do. One of the most common mistakes though I see is people correctly get this one, but then they write absolute value of 3 equals -3, and that is incorrect. You don't just flip it and make it the opposite. It's simply the distance from 0. So 5 and 3. So now that we understand that, we should be able to take on this problem. So here we're looking at 1/5 absolute value, which we know is just equal to 1/5, and then we have -4/5. Well, this one's negative and that one's positive. So if we're talking about which one's bigger, the positive is bigger. So this one, the alligator needs to eat the bigger number. 1/5 is our answer, so we need the alligator to eat the 1/5. We'll move on. All right, next question. Okay, so this one, we have 2 absolute values this time. This one is 8, right? It doesn't become a -8, and this one is 3. This distance from 0 is 8 units. So if we had 0 and here's 8, this would be 8 units away. That was the worst one I've ever done. 8 units away, there we go. And then we have -3 here. That distance is still just a positive number. You can never have a negative distance, but the 8 is still bigger. We got to eat the 8 with the alligator, the greater than sign, and let's move on to our next question. Order the values from least to greatest. This is a great question. So the first thing we want to do is we want to look at just convert all of these to non-absolute values. So 4.5 is 4.5 units away from 0. -2 is 2 units from 0. So we know that the negative is going to be the smallest, and then the 2, and then the 3, and then the 4.5. Okay, so we're going to move this -7. It doesn't have absolute value. This is simply 2. This is 3, and that is 4.5. Next question. If I'm ever going too fast, make sure to just pause or rewind. Here we have -8.6, and notice that it doesn't have absolute value on it, so it just stays negative. And 1.9 is going to be positive, so we know that 1.9 is going to be greater, so we're going to make our less than sign like that. So the alligator eats 1.9 instead of the -8.6. Okay, this one's a good one. So we have an absolute value here and then just a positive number. So first thing we want to do is make sure this is not an absolute value sign and just make it the distance from 0, which is +7/5. +7/5 is clearly bigger than 2/5, so it's got to eat the 7/5 in the absolute value sign. Oops. So A is going to be our correct answer. Here's a good one. We have 3 and the absolute value of -3. The absolute value of -3 is equal to 3. So we're just going to put the equal sign for this one. Okay, they're the same distance from 0. Here's another good one where we have to order. Okay, so one thing you want to know, always start with this, is absolute values. Make them and turn them into the correct number. So this is going to stay 12. This one's going to stay 50.8. This one doesn't have an absolute value sign, it's negative. And this one is going to change to 91. 91 is the biggest. -34 is the smallest. And then we have the correct order from there. And that's all we have. So it's a pretty simple exercise, but if you have any questions, make sure to leave a comment below. And I look forward to seeing you next time right here on West Explains Best.